Seiko is a brand that has redefined watchmaking for decades, offering a perfect blend of innovation, precision, and craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for a rugged dive watch, a sophisticated dress piece, or a heritage inspired timepiece, Seiko has something for every collector and enthusiast. In this video, we'll explore some of the best Seiko watches, highlighting their standout features, history, and why they deserve a place on your wrist. Let's dive in. Number 10. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer SRQ37. The Seiko Prospex Speed Timer SRQ37 is a stunning chronograph that combines precision engineering with timeless design. Inspired by Seiko's rich motorsport heritage, this watch is built for speed enthusiasts and watch collectors alike. Its bold, sporty aesthetic features a stainless steel case, a striking black ceramic tachymeter bezel, and a sleek black dial with contrasting white subdials, offering exceptional legibility. At its heart lies the caliber 8R46 mechanical movement, known for its accuracy and reliability. With a column wheel and vertical clutch mechanism, the SRQ37 ensures smooth chronograph operation and precise timekeeping. The watch also boasts a 45-hour power reserve, making it a dependable companion for daily wear. The SRQ37 is designed for durability, with sapphire crystal protecting the dial and a water resistance of 100 meters. Its comfortable bracelet and secure clasp ensure a perfect fit for any wrist. Number 9. Seiko 5 Sports Limited Edition. The Seiko 5 Sports Limited Edition exemplifies Seiko's dedication to innovation and style, building upon the legacy of the original Seiko 5 Sports series introduced in the 1960s. The 5 in its name signifies 5 key attributes: a durable automatic movement, day-date display, water resistance, a recessed crown at the 4 o'clock position, and a robust case and bracelet design. This limited edition model features a sleek stainless steel case and bracelet, ensuring both durability and a modern aesthetic. The dial, often presented in unique colors or patterns exclusive to the limited edition, enhances its distinctiveness. Luminous hands and markers ensure readability in various lighting conditions. At its core lies Seiko's reliable automatic movement, offering precise timekeeping without the need for a battery. Number 8. Seiko Prospex 1970 Divers Modern Reinterpretation. The Seiko Prospex 1970 Divers Modern Reinterpretation is a tribute to Seiko's legendary 1970 dive watch, originally worn by explorer Naomi Uemura. This modern version retains the iconic asymmetrical case design, offering both vintage appeal and contemporary refinement. Crafted from stainless steel with a super hard coating, the 42.7 case provides exceptional durability. The curved profile enhances wrist comfort, while the unidirectional rotating bezel ensures precise dive timing. A dual-curved sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating adds to its premium construction. Powered by Seiko's in-house caliber 6R35 automatic movement, the watch delivers a 70-hour power reserve and reliable performance. It boasts 200-meter water resistance, making it a true ISO-certified dive watch. The luminous hands and markers provide excellent readability in low-light conditions. With a mix of heritage and modern innovation, the Seiko Prospex 1970 Divers Modern Reinterpretation is a must-have for collectors and adventure seekers alike. Number 7. Seiko Prestige Message Craftsmanship Series. The Seiko Prestige Craftsmanship Series is a celebration of Japan's finest traditional artistry, combined with Seiko's mastery of mechanical watchmaking. Each timepiece in this collection showcases handcrafted dials made using age-old techniques such as Arita porcelain, Shippo enamel, and Urushi lacquer, ensuring a unique, textured beauty that stands the test of time. These dials are painstakingly crafted by skilled artisans, bringing depth, elegance, and a distinctive character to each watch. The refined aesthetics are paired with Seiko's reliable in-house automatic movements, ensuring both precision and longevity. Designed for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship, the watches feature polished stainless steel cases, curved sapphire crystals, and intricate detailing. The result is a perfect blend of artistry and functionality. With the Presage Craftsmanship series, Seiko pays homage to Japan's rich cultural heritage while offering collectors and enthusiasts an exquisite timepiece that bridges tradition and modern innovation. Number 6. Seiko 5 Sports Showdown Collection. The Seiko 5 Sports Showdown Collection is a bold, limited edition series inspired by the energy and creativity of breakdancing. Designed to celebrate the global break-in community, this collection embodies the same spirit of resilience, precision, and individuality that defines both Seiko 5 Sports and competitive breakdancing. Each timepiece in the Showdown collection features dynamic dial designs, striking color combinations, and graffiti-inspired aesthetics that pay homage to urban street culture. The durable stainless steel case and automatic movement ensure long-lasting reliability, while the signature Seiko 5 features day-date display, water resistance, and robust construction make it a true performance watch. With exclusive designs and artistic collaborations, the Seiko 5 Sports Showdown collection isn't just a watch, it's a statement. Number 5. Seiko Prospex Alpinist. The Seiko Prospex Alpinist is a legendary timepiece built for adventure, blending rugged durability with refined aesthetics. Originally introduced in 1959 for Japanese mountaineers, the modern Alpinist stays true to its heritage while incorporating contemporary upgrades. Encased in stainless steel, the Alpinist features a distinctive rotating inner compass bezel, aiding outdoor enthusiasts in navigation. The sleek dial, available in various rich colors, is enhanced with luminous hands and markers for optimal legibility. A domed sapphire crystal adds a premium touch while ensuring scratch resistance. Powering the Alpinist is Seiko's in-house automatic caliber 6R35 movement, offering an impressive 70 hour power reserve. With 200-meter water resistance, it's ready for any terrain, from mountain trails to urban landscapes. Whether you're an explorer or a watch enthusiast. Number 4. Seiko Prospex 1968 Mechanic. The Seiko Prospex 1968 Mechanical Diver's reinterpretation pays tribute to Seiko's groundbreaking 1968 dive watch while integrating modern advancements in durability and precision. This timepiece embodies Seiko's rich diving heritage, offering a perfect blend of vintage inspiration and contemporary engineering. Housed in a robust 42 stainless steel case with a super hard coating, the watch is built to withstand extreme conditions. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel for precise dive timing, while the high legibility dial is equipped with large Lumibrite coated hands and markers for optimal readability underwater. Powered by the in-house caliber 6R35 automatic movement, it delivers an impressive 70 hour power reserve, ensuring reliability during extended adventures. Number 3. Seiko King Watch. The Seiko King Seiko collection represents a legacy of precision, craftsmanship, and elegant design. Originally introduced in the 1960s as a rival to Grand Seiko, King Seiko watches were known for their high-quality movements, sharp case designs, and superior finishing. These timepieces symbolized Seiko's commitment to fine watchmaking and accuracy. Revived in recent years, modern King Seiko models pay homage to their vintage predecessors while incorporating contemporary advancements. The refined stainless steel cases feature clean, angular lines and Zrutsu polishing, delivering a premium, distortion-free finish. The dials are exquisitely detailed, often featuring sunburst or textured patterns, paired with facetted hands and applied markers for enhanced sophistication. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Alpinist Watch. The Seiko Prospex Alpinist is a legendary timepiece designed for explorers and outdoor enthusiasts. First introduced in 1959, the Alpinist was Seiko's first sports watch, built to withstand rugged mountain conditions while maintaining a refined aesthetic. This modern version carries on that spirit with a robust stainless steel case, a signature inner rotating compass bezel, and a highly legible dial with luminous markers and hands. The domed sapphire crystal enhances durability and clarity, while the screw-down crown ensures 200-meter water resistance, making it a reliable companion for both adventure and daily wear. At its heart beats the in-house Caliber 6R35 automatic movement, offering an impressive 70 hour power reserve for long-lasting precision. Number 1. Seiko Prospex Marine Master 1965 Diver. The Seiko Prospex Marine Master 1965 Diver is a modern reinterpretation of Seiko's first ever dive watch, the 62 MAS, which debuted in 1965. Built for professional divers, this timepiece merges vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, staying true to Seiko's legacy in underwater exploration. Encased in high-grade stainless steel with a super hard coating, the watch offers a sleek yet durable construction. The unidirectional rotating bezel ensures precise dive timing, while the high-contrast dial, equipped with large Lumibrite coated markers and hands, guarantees excellent readability in low-light conditions. Powering the watch is Seiko's in-house Caliber 6R55 automatic movement, delivering a robust 72-hour power reserve. With ISO-certified 200-meter water resistance and a domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, it's engineered for reliability in extreme environments.